aba and found GCN page so meeting at the address searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found some ya bell so. Ube a notification. Video be a share. Sammy Gyamfi, our National Communications Officer, Dima NDC Amayokono, and na Okase. Na Sammy Gyamfi is a more okay and say. So on the past Sammy Gyamfi to wait. Never. It will never happen. Ewa country we Mugana yetini. Say NDC for. Ya beto aba Ghana hanom. No mba yo madwen so omo nti omo ho ase. No mo de asem no court. No no Sammy Gyamfi ni bedi achi. Enya de ebesi nne esi ochina. Na nti se we wu. Na oti ase pa de enya de obedi NDC achi e de court. Na Sammy Gyamfi ni reason na ne se adenti na ya to aba 2020. Na NDC for susu se abato no omo wini. Na yisi boss Madam James Ewiem e de ama his excellency na na do danko ekufuado. Na omo yo mo demonstrations akese omo hye tie na no omo yese no omo yese na Ghana force NDC for mo ntia se mo fa sam ne court because 2012 the same thing happened NPP for the court in zaman ntia se a mo fa sam ne court na no NDC for tam ya hwe mo de asam ne court Sammy Gyamfi a kire sa asam no mo de court a lawyers na judges no mo ka asam no mo andi ni ye omo embu asam ni ye omo yi atten omo yi no anye straight achia enti Sammy Gyamfi a kire se Ghana ha yeti de kire se Supreme Court no enya de ni da so bia wo because asem ya NDC for the bar court yesen ko mo win clear ti se Kofi TV do mo anya ne sa mo abu asem na achia no e de asem na ma his excellency na nado danko ekufuado so onto na membu su dia e na kire se Ghana no kwawe ni ya enti so on the party ni re efi eye judicial service no ni refi na kuma efi ntinya dia Ghana hanom ye kwoto aba 7th December na nka 2024 ye be ya kwoto aba ni ya ato aba na ewie na asanso ya bibia ho no mo de court na on Sammy Gyamfi e de echi enya de besinda esi ochina because asama mo de court no anya fair chese omu hu so kra ndisi foto omu hu so because ye sen komo na chinchina komo wini na adofie ntie ensema Sammy Gyamfi e de etudwa.
Based on what was before the court, they should not have arrived at the conclusions they arrived at. They should not at all.
Fantastic.
Very unfair, very unjust. And like I said in my write-up this afternoon, Emma, even the justice system, very, 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 very funny. It makes a mockery of justice. That is what the decision does. Very, very unfortunate.
Well, lawyer,
Marty.
Says I call your name 2024. Baka se beche nenso ewa heya. The same gentleman say na besandi ya kwa to baby. Dien ena timamufu a omo wo ase on bi se maami wi. Odi anim ye ko 2024 na besan akohuye mu bim ana sensakra bi betimi aba.
See, yanshe bibi so. O se kronfo. Oba ufie na wonto mpuma na wotimi be wia de wade kwa wanya bokro no na wa succeed ni nko ade onya kro no ne bo
boko
kwan ya ofa so wura ufie obefa mpuma mu wia wo no obesanso ababiem until that window no obepe kwan bi so atum no eyedan ya obesanso ayedan aba. So rest assured, so long as Jim Mensah, Boss Manasare and those crooks continue to be at the helm of affairs at the Electoral Commission, about will be anywhere better in Ghana ha be free and fair. Or more conduct class captain about work in because they are there for an agenda. The entire Pamo Charlotte say, Eddie or buy and they say, or Mumra no Mumay Jumama MPP. They are there for the partisan interest of those who appointed them.
Your money
and your money you now about what and time where your muye is almost door minor. After we jam more about to Ukruma, who Charlotte say more about to Ukruma and Kaye Mugabe. So clearly, ABC, but they said the mechanic say, yeah, tum puma anymore. And I confronting to me then in me. It's yen no, I was say, ye may need daho, ye kai hubum. Of course, Dodo Nejina, ya yen penny for so. And we take collective responsibility for the uncle Yibaya in the conduct of this election. And yet, department TBI issue, it is about all of us. Now, you're making sure say together as a party, no. Together as a family, no, you best strategize it. near the systems atutuna kwam sene be ya they said the Zuma nursing can in Miribino. The next match no ye kwa ye electoral commission ehye ibuto ya make sure say no the court to be anya den because me support NDC going to court over any election BM. I have lost confidence. I have lost confidence in the fact say maybe a petition can overturn election results. So let's make sure say ye nyina no ye be ye adwumaden. Ye be win with a very clear, margin. Will be we mu enye den enye. And I believe we can do that. Nempo, even though we know they will try and rig, you better making sure say the systems it be go akwam. And you see dodo na no move all in our lenses. What do you say? You were juma yepa, and I was say you're starting them. Nobody should be complacent. Yes, I was say you're starting a juma in them. So yenina will be a wuti ni be a do party no. You don't have to give up. Man Supreme Court decision way in Buapem. Never. NDC. Never until so nyango pombe by we as say this party will continue to live and grow from glory to glory, victory to victory, and become bigger and bigger. That is what the NDC will be. In 2004, the seniors nakasa. The situation was far worse. Yeah. And in fact, in this election, we have 106 versus 169 or something. Yeah. No, bro, you're so bad 63 seats. Now you're running majority in parliament. Or much in and Sadia soldier for kunkum nipa. I overturn some of the results. Exactly. But I know Techiman South there. Indefinitely. I know. Yeah, but that one sometimes court bet me to be Sunday indefinitely. But a bit me abase. Now what I'm very optimistic that our case can go well, of course. And let me commend General Mosquito and our lawyers, the way he's pursuing that case, just like he did in the case of Senate West. Me very confident, and that judge was the same judge who ruled on the Senate West case. And I believe, say, justice will be done. But we can count our blessings where we were. In the other party, in 2004, it wasn't like that. But we were able to still come together, work hard, and 2008, we won. So I said, we won. And I believe that 2024, we are going to win a very sweet victory.
Madam, Sammy, Mammy, and Mr. We say, ABC ni His Excellency John Dramani Mahama unconsidered defeat, right?
I don't.
Well.
But the question is, was it? No, was he defeated? I'm not sure he was defeated. I'm not sure. Honestly, Mugabe, Yamfa politics and Tonche. Let's be honest. Do you think we lost this election?
No.
Do you think we lost this election?
No.
No. Honestly, you check all the figures. Check out, and let me clear this thing. Party for Bibri, Mates Omoka once, and Omudise Omoka. You see, there was an attempt by some people in the court case to incite the rank and file against party leadership. Oh, one year collation, man for figure be a court, mu figure and say, let's explain that. And you see, and I will not hold brief for anybody, but no credit
sanity.
Mugabe. What the asem kokota a dance a support us asem no na what the kokot on fa asem in kokot na dance a support case B na what the kokot this am abakot to say wa wo declaration na we ye figures e wo mu no make kese ani a akufo adu enya more than 50% na me kofa ho dance aba e wo declaration ni figures e wo mu ho dance na me de ba enye mimi figures eno de enye den emmam because enye no asem na me de aye den abakot de to so biem so ne se senia abatu we isifo ni si ye no and say jimensa betra da kan mu aka mu behu bebre pa and you see the reason why so nipa bebre hu ni say this time around I dance here I dance for ni di ye no na ɛda paper so ɛna your friend witness statement ɔmo di to paper so ɔmo afɔ ɔmo no near dance here their lawyer for friend of viva voce evidence
was documented
so it was witness statement so ebi want but ɔkɔ regional mosquito in particular the witness statement near dance here odi ya constituencies bebree ɔkɔfa ɔmo pink sheets ɔmo summary sheets yasi total valid votes no ebia 90,000 but ɔbɛ keka abom no wenya 100,000 so or even on the face of the record they no be na see techiman south there okay kabo mu a wonya 99,000 but they are 97,000 it ya teso by over 2,000 it okay ka figures ni bomu a even on the face of the pink sheets and figures ni are wrong it is a way party now say me am person me me figures na me de court man so a there na the be figures no the 275 constituency coalition sheets and now say the over 38,622 polling station pink sheets. Me boy. And no now we back a car boom, the agents, no back a car boom now what the area with figures and me boy. But say, primary document, you know, mistakes are you ma. Because the total valid votes on your trend also. So it is here. But say figures, you know, wrong. And yet, no matter who calculation will be also who end figure no will be wrong. Garbage in, garbage out. You cannot aggregate wrong figures and get a correct figure. That was how flawed the election was, because in so many constituencies the pink sheets, you know, already I have trend to say a total valid votes even on the face of the pink sheet, you know. NCC, so I say will be saying 1 + 1 is equal to 3. Now we say 2 + 2 is equal to 5. What's our coalition? Will you add 3 + 5 and get